Hi guys, I'm on the Formula1 website, and as I looked at this picture and this frame that it has, it occurred to me that it's quite easy to reproduce this in RocketCake. So let's see how we can do that. Well, first of all, let's save this image. I will save it to my assets folder. And let's open RocketCake. Let's bring in a container and let's bring in the image. Here we go. Let's make this wider. And how do we put this border on? At background mode, let's click define for all sides. And the top shall be solid. And the border shall be, well, let it be just red. And the border width should be, let's say 7. The border right should be solid, red, and 7. Now the corners, let's define for all corners, and the top left should be 0, top right should be 15, okay. Bottom left should be 0 and the bottom right should be 0. And here we go. We can play around a little. And change the sizes. But we see the principle. So here it is. It's quite easy to replicate this in RocketCake. Okay, you can find this file. I will save it on RocketCake, on the RocketCake tutorials website. Here we go. Well, I hope you liked this little tutorial. If so, I'm happy. Have a nice day. God bless you. Bye bye.